morning, guys. I am my squad. We're off to school. Come see. And lady girl. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Come see.
Yes?
You're not so excited this morning, are you? You don't want to go to school? You want to go, no? And you, Nene? You want to go to school, no? So be happy about it. Did you put your snack in your bag?
Yes.
A little bit too late to be asking now, but I'm just checking. And you, Neddy? You have your snack in your bag?
Yes.
What are you having today as snack?
Cookie and apple.
I can't hear you.
Cookie and apple.
Say again?
Cookie and apple.
Cookie and apple. And Kamsi?
Apple and
What is that thing called?
Rolling.
Rollinos. Okay. A roll, kind of chocolate roll. Yeah. Okay, that's what they're having. Some people were asking me what did they have for school snack. They have a very simple school snack here because they only stay 5 hours in school. Yeah. So they have breakfast and then they have a quick snack which they eat during their break in school, during recess. Yeah. Then they dismiss at 2. So nothing serious. And then of course they have water.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping.
The thing with Mondays is that I always want to achieve so much on this first working day of the week that I end up piling on too much stuff in one day. Maybe because all through the weekend I have these ideas running through my head and I can't wait to unleash them on a Monday. That said, I'm feeling motivated today, so I want to make 2 YouTube videos today. In fact, the thought of it scares me, but I am pumped. So kids in school, I'm at this supermarket to pick up a few things I need for the videos. The first video to record today is the pepper rice recipe. If you have not seen the video, go check it out. If I'm shooting a video on a school day like this, I record what I can record within the time my kids are in school. So I only blended the ingredients and fried the stew this morning. I was also prepping the ingredients for the non-alcoholic cocktails video, small. Only the ones that will not go bad or change color after manipulation, bearing in mind that I will film the cocktail video in the evening. It's time to pick my kids from school, so I abandoned everything I was doing. Today, I did not prepare their lunch before going to pick them up because it's something that I can't prepare and keep. You will see that later. We're here at the sweet shop. I've been promising them a sweet treat, so we are finally going to get that today. A few, A few. Don't fill the bag.
But we're not going to take it back to here.
Even fewer than normal today. What's the difference between this one and that one?
This one is strong and this one is soft.
Uh-oh. But it's the same shape.
this one is strong and this one is soft.
Okay.
Let's finish. I don't
I
want.
want.
That's enough. Ned, that's enough. That's enough for you.
No, like this is enough for.
Yeah.
Can I buy you the egg?
Here.
Well, let's go. Look at these children. They are supposed to eat these sweets after siesta, but there they are, eating them now. Talk about keeping goat and yam in one place and telling the goat not to eat the yam. Impossible. They are having fish and chips for lunch. These are best served immediately after preparation. That's why I did not prepare it before going to pick them up. I and hubby had semo with bitter leaf soup. The bitter leaf soup contains snails, shaki, pomo, stockfish, and other orishi. Don't worry, our legume day is coming soon. Yes, we do set aside some days to eat legumes for lunch. We had siesta, and when I woke up, I continued with the filming of the pepper rice video. We had it for dinner. While filming the pepper rice video, I was also filming the prepping of the ingredients for the cocktails video. Chayo, it was so hectic. I will never try this again, I beg. My plan was to film the non-alcoholic cocktails video first so that we could drink them during our evening snack, but I underestimated the prep time for that video, man. All those different ingredients that I had to prep, man. It was just too much. At some point, I just left it and concentrated only on the filming of the pepper rice video so my family can eat first because I continued with the non-alcoholic cocktails video when I was sure that what my family will eat is ready. Go check out these videos. You've seen how hard I worked on the day I made them. Go and watch them, Bikono. Haha. Bikono, mother touch out for any no nani.
Tasting good.
All of them?
Yes.
Taste good, no?
I like this one.
Yeah, I like this one.
Which one?
This one.
Me this one.
Which one is your favorite?
This one.
This one.
And you?
This one.
My own is this one.
My own is this one.
Mm. And this one, wait, I want to test it. I didn't test it.
It's the same thing, eh?
Mm.
Mm. I think this one is the same thing as that one, no?
This one, what was it? Pomegranate and orange.
Pomegranate, lemon, lime,
Orange, because has got pulpa.
grape juice.
Oh.
Has got pulpa
No, the pulpa is from
The lime.
lime and lemon, yeah.
and the lemon.
Oh.
Whatever. Let me test this one. I want the ice.
I think it's okay. I need to clean this kitchen.
Yes.
Look at how dirty this kitchen is. What a mess.
Wow,
What
how
a
dirty,
mess.
how dirty, eh?
What a mess. This is what my kitchen looks like after making a video.
After preparing all these things, it looks like a dirty.
It's not dirty, it's dirty, it's dirty.
Let me
It's dirty, not definite dirty like those being here, those.
By now, I was already collapsing, I tell you. It took us more than 1 hour. Gini bude 1 hour. A lot more than 1 hour to clean up everything. I definitely bit off more than I could chew today. That thing I'm pouring is the oil I used in frying the fish for the pepper rice. Here in Spain, there's a special bin for used cooking oil, so I keep them and throw them on a day we'll pass through the collection point. They are at strategic locations in this city. Everywhere is sparkling again. Woot woot. Here's our menu for the day at a glance. I and hubby lounged a bit watching Paternity Court, another American show we enjoy here on YouTube. I highly recommend it. It's mind-blowing how people have children anyhow, with the number of people who do not know who their fathers are, with so many similar genes scattered everywhere. It's scary to imagine the number of people that are unknowingly having children with their blood relatives. Joy! I guess that's why there are so many strange diseases cropping up, I tell you, because... Click the box on the left to check out my last vlog, and the one on the right to check out the next one. Bye bye! See you soon!